Today working on a Whirlpool gas range. Customer complaint is when clicking on the knobs for the cooktop, the oil igniter is sparking. So we'll be doing some diagnostics today and see what the issue is. Great, so during diagnostics found the spark module, or in this case the DSI board here, to be the faulty component. We can start seeing some of the burn marks around these resistors here as well. So the new one is installed right there. So we are gonna give this guy a test. So ta-da! Looks like this one, as well as that one. Perfect. So I think yeah, we are back in business.